Really?
Yes. Yes.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Get my GoPro on too. Oh, it's a good thing.
No. Is he in the
Yeah,
weeds?
he's in the weeds, but I'll get him. He's a pig.
That's 30-pound braid. Tighten the drag, bro.
I'll just force him. Oh, he's a pig.
Still got him?
Yeah. He's just in the weeds. Oh, he's a pig. He's an absolute toad. Get ready. I don't have the waterproof case on, remember?
Yeah, I know.
He's a toad. Just pull the... Oh. Okay.
Where is it? Where is he?
Is he not in there?
No, he is. He is. He is.
Is he big?
I got him.
Is he big?
Oh, it's a giant. It's a beast.
At least. At least that's a 5. Look at that thing. Toad,
That's
bro.
an absolute
What
giant.
a toad, bro. What a toad. All right, here's Austin releasing my fish.
Absolute pig on the Senko.
That's a giant. That's like a 5. Easy 5.
Easy 5.
Wow, look at him go. Look at him go. Hey, what do you say, Austin? Good stuff.
Gator bait. Hooked up on the live sucker.
Wait. Let me get in the front. Oh.
Gator. Fat northern. Got him.
Oh, yeah. Keep him in the water. Water.
Got a 30-inch northern.
Boom. Good stuff. There he goes. Gone.
I think so. Oh, it's a nice one.
Hold on.
It's right here. It's like a 3, 2.5. Sweet. On that peanut butter and jelly, like hack attack flippin' jig.
There you go, bud.
Right in the corner of the mouth. What, 15, 16?
Yeah.
Throw them on the bunk.
Boarding the bass. Do another way.
Oh, head first.
Yeah.
16 and a half. Peanut butter and jelly flippin' jig.
Ready?
One sec. All right, give it to him.
Oh yeah, big gator. Gator.
Yes, I'll stand right here, all right?
Okay. Gator. This is the one that missed, dude. This is a gator.
I'm gonna take him. I'm gonna pull him right in the boat. We're not losing this one. He's hooked right in the side. He's about to run.
Okay. Get out of the way.
GoPro.
Okay. There we go. Ooh, the one that missed it before. I was telling you. Get him in the water.
Got the northern out finally. Got the hook out. Another one on that live sucker. That's a freaking gator. Okay. Well,
30 something.
didn't get a measurement on him, but he was for sure 30 plus.